Sup everybody, it's Ray. I know I haven't done a raids video in 50 million years, but I have 2 snacks. This is 4. 2 snacks. So, yeah. So this is Jack Links. This is an American company. You can see it says Jack Links, but this is the fro-ho-ho-ho version. Jerky bacon. Bacon jerky. It's freaking bacon jerky. Huh? And then we got a new Kit Kat flavor. I think this might be matcha because it's green, but it's not. It's key lime pie flavored Kit Kat. I don't think I've ever had a key lime pie. Yes, I have. And it was okay. I'm not a big citrus fan, but I want to try this anyway. I figured it might be interesting. Now this, I got this because I figured it might freak people out because pork, and if you undercook pork or whatever, and you know how jerky is, it's just like dried out and salted heavily, and it feels kind of soft, so we shall see. But we'll start with this. We'll start with the Kit Kat. Kit Kat's by Hershey's? I didn't know Kit Kat was by Hershey. Maybe that's a Canadian thing? And maybe Kit Kat in Canada is made by Hershey? Because like Hershey tastes like vomit, kinda. But Kit Kat I like. But also Hershey's in Canada tastes way better. It's the Hershey's Kisses that taste most like vomit here. But everything I've had of Hershey's in the States tastes like vomit. But also not like vomit. I'm talking about the Kisses this time. Riku just burped. I'm talking about the Hershey's Kisses in Canada. Like they have like a vomity taste to them, but... Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about vomit real quick. Ooh, this was hard to snap. Okay, so here's the... It's like a light green. Here, let me pull it away so you can actually... Yeah, there you go. It's a light green, like part of my eyes, which you can't really see. Because my eyes are green and brown. Like at the bottom here, you can see there's green. But it changes the green changes positions. Anyway, they're mostly brown, but they have green as well. Didn't really have a very... Wait, hold up. It is limey. It's kind of got that tinge of the sour, bittery-ness. Because, like, you zest a lime as well to get some flavor. But that also brings in some bitter components. So you can taste that. But it is also slightly sweet. It's not bad. It's just very subtle. I default to subtle a lot, apparently. But whereas the Japanese flavored Kit Kats are a lot more flavorful or a lot more obvious, this one is way understated. But it's not bad. I'm getting more of the bitterness than the sweetness, though. It's very slight, but the bitterness is more of what I'm getting. Not bad at all. Yeah, I actually like this. It's pretty nice. Okay, crisp wafers in a key lime flavored cream. Artificially and naturally flavored. Okay, so there you go. You can see that. Oh, yeah, okay, the more you eat it, the more you taste the lime, though, obviously. But it is very subtle. Ooh. So this is hickory smoked bacon jerky. Okay. Oh, snacks for later. Smells like plastic. Smells a little smoky. But that's also because, like, the bag. I'm smelling mostly the bag, I think. Here we go. Ooh, floppy bacon boy. Yeah. Doesn't really smell like anything, actually. Yeah, barely smells like anything. Definitely soft. No crunch. A bit of a chew to it. Wait, do I have to cook this? No. No, this is it. It's nice. If you don't like super crunchy, crispy bacon or burnt bacon, if you like floppier bacon, you'll love this because it's definitely very floppy and not crispy at all. It's also not dry at all. Like it's tender and nice. I like this a lot, but it's just weird. Like it just looks like I'm eating very, very lightly cooked bacon. You get quite a bit in there. It's 65 grams, so it's less than the regular beef jerky. And that's by weight for anybody who doesn't know. Hi, Riku. If you don't know for some reason. Oh, look at he wants the bacon. I'm not going to give it to you because I don't know what's in here. Oh, so he ran away immediately. Let's see. After opening, refrigerate or use within 3 days. Okay. So pork, water, salt, sugar, smoke flavor, sodium phosphate, sodium nitrate, and smoke. Okay, so this is just meat and salt, basically. Oh no, that's a piece for me, Riku, sorry. Okay, the more meatier pieces are chewier. Up. I'm gonna give Riku a small piece of the fat. Is that good? He's already back for more, so yeah, he likes it. Jack Link's meat snacks. I enjoyed that. That was pretty nice. It actually doesn't taste uber salty though, even though it is. Let's see how much salt is in here. Ooh, 55 grams of cholesterol, 700 or milligrams. Cholesterol and 720 milligrams of sodium. Holy hiccups. All right, well, that was a short one, but thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I guess check out the Mystery Honda channel. I don't really upload there anymore, at least lately, but I am streaming on Twitch as much as I can. I'm also in college, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. Plus, I'm a game dev as well, so I guess I'll link that in the description. There's Muni Reborn, which is the MMORPG, and there's Moya Games, which is the company. Yada, 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 plus music and blah, blah, blah. Shameless self-promo. Okay, bye.